Hi guys, good evening. So ito yung ginagawa na naman guys, blocking drills para mas madali silang makapag-block kapag mag-low kick yung kalaban nila guys. So ito yung next guys, block at saka reaction counter. Block at saka counter para masulun mo rin nila guys. Ito yung medyo pa guys, kiwaw pa dahil bago pa kasi. So next guys, ito yung partner sparring drills. So offense and defense, counter, offense at saka yung reaction, madaling magipag-react. So ito yung mas mabuti gawin palagi nila guys para masanay sila mag-block at saka reaction. Madali sila maki-counter guys. So ito yung sparring drills din guys. So, dipinsa sa mukha at saka kick, reaction. So, medyo hindi pa masyadong magaling dahil bago pa. So, kapag palagi lang nilang ginagawa ito ni Ma'am Nasir guys, makukuha din nila. So, guys, salamat sa panonood guys. So, sana supportahan niyo ang page ko, Coach Maddox, at saka yung YouTube channel ko, Coach Maddox TV. Thank you so much.